Hi, welcome to Derek Does. I'm Derek, and today Derek Does opening a sewing machine. I ordered this machine actually a couple weeks ago. I won it at an auction, and I had to send it. It was out of state, and the auctioneer was kind enough to send me to a person that he knows that does shipping, and then I had to explain how to ship an industrial sewing machine, and hopefully they got it right, and we're going to find out. I'm going to open this up. I just got this today, and it should be pretty fun. I think you're going to really like the machine that's inside it. If you like this machine, you're going to like the machine that's inside this box. If you like this, it's a new channel. I'm going to be doing a bunch of stuff. It's going to be a lot of industrial sewing machines, which I'm into, but it's also going to be vintage mopeds. It's going to be probably home repair. It's going to be cooking. It's going to be a bunch of stuff. It's Derek Does, and Derek does something every time you watch a new video. So let's watch this, and feel free to like and subscribe or comment. And some of the stuff you see on here might be for sale too, so I'll let you know at the end of the videos if it's going to be for sale. This is just going to be an unboxing, but the next coming videos are going to be restoration, which is what I do a lot of, getting the machines back in order. And this is kind of a holy grail machine, so it's going to get the top restoration. All right, let's check it out. All right, this is how the box came. Obviously they used the used plywood laying around, which is fine. The only trouble is you do get some of this chipping and everything like that, but overall it looks intact, and I don't see any major dents or anything like that. So I've got the drill. It's going to take the special star attachments, and let's begin. Moment of truth. All right, that's not too bad. We'll see how great they pack this up. Pretty loose. Let's see here. All right, so they didn't remove that part. All right. Watch out for splinters. They'll go right into your nail. Let's see if it made it, or if it didn't make it. I'm gonna have to open this up out here. Down. What's that? All right. Get this out of the way. Let's see what we have. It's bubble wrapped pretty good. That's the bottom. looks like it made it. You all know what this machine is. This is the Singer 47W70. This is really nice shape. This was at a farm auction. They had a couple machines, but it was many states away. They had some other machines I would have bought if I was local, but I didn't because I'd have to ship them. All right, you're probably also wondering what this is. They didn't follow my instructions exactly, but the nice thing is the machine did make it without any cracks or anything that I can see. Get this open. Ironically, they packed this better than they did the machine, because all this is the original light that goes with the machine. It's an SLF4. In coming episodes, I'll be showing you the SLF2 and the SLF3, and I will show you how to restore one of those. I'll probably do it on this one too. Look at the machine though, all the pieces are there, and that's the important thing. Now, here's the machine as I got it. As you saw me open it up, it's all here. We've got the base, we've got the cone, which is, really what these machines are. Now there's a couple things just looking right away when I open this up. See that? It's gonna need a new belt. The other machine I have also needs a new belt, and I bought it, but it looks like I'm going to be doing 2 belt replacements on these machines. Now here's the one thing that really caught my eye when I'm messing with this, as I'm spinning it, needle bar going up and down, but what isn't going up and down? And it's this. I don't know what's up with that. I'm gonna have to open that up, and it's not supposed to do that. So something is broken inside there. Luckily this actual piece isn't broken, but it may be broken in there. We'll have to take a look and open that up and take a look at it. But here's the machine. And this is something that you can do too if you just really look around. Oddly enough, I used to find these things they're pretty easy to find actually back in the day before the denim got crazy. You could get these for like $200. Sometimes even on a table with a motor. But after the denim craze hit, these things are now, they're like $3,000 to $4,000. This one's going to be up in the high range because it is such mint condition for what it is. Obviously, I have to replace the belt and whatever that part is there, but everything's there. There's no rust, there's nothing. It's a really clean machine, and it's a 60s machine, which is kind of interesting. Normally, I always have black machines, but this one is actually a modern, and you can actually see it's got the modern Singer. When I say modern, I mean 60s badge on it. But pretty cool machine overall, I gotta say. Okay, this is it, the Singer 47W70. Just got mailed to me today, FedEx. Bought it a few weeks ago. Took a few weeks to get all the parts working in the shipment process, but we did get it. It's all complete, it's here. Actually, I didn't even check to see if the bobbin's in. It might be tight. I don't have a screwdriver to open that up. But I will check that. I'm sure it's in there actually. Everything else is on this machine, including the original light with the original bulb in it too. But if you look around and you're really looking for one, you will find one. If you don't find one, I know a guy that's got one for sale, this gun. Once I get this going, this will be up for sale because I just don't need it. But this is a Grell machine, and if I see a Grell machine, I buy a Grell machine. Hope you enjoy this video. In coming videos, we will be working on this machine. We're gonna obviously replace the belt. Although the belt still works, man, it just has cracks in it. And it looks original to, I think it actually says, yeah, it actually says Singer USA on it. So it is an original Singer belt. It just has some cracks in it. And I would imagine if this machine, once you're up to speed, and you're sewing with it, after maybe a couple of months, that belt might break. So it'd be good to just replace that. And obviously we're gonna figure out what's up with this. Why doesn't that move? Something's off. Well, once we open that up, we'll be able to see it. But that'll be coming video. If you like what you've seen, subscribe, comment, like, all that stuff that YouTube loves to do. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching Derek Does.